somebody to clean it and then get some light.
Okay. Cái tiền ạ, tiền ạ. Dỗ à rước nó ngang chiêng à slap nó hồng này. Trong cái line đó.
You guys can hear that rumble?
Oh,
That's coming from the elephant.
okay.
So the elephants have three methods of conversation. They have this really deep rumble, and there's 200 varieties of that. And we can only hear a small section. So that's their main method of conversation, like me and you have been talking, me and you have been talking, me and you have been talking. And then the trumpet that you heard this morning is like an explanation